Hello everyone. In continuation to the topic logarithms, next question is if logarithm of x square plus x to the base 4 minus logarithm of x plus 1 to the base 4 equal to 2, find the value or values of x. So I can write the left side expression as it is like a log a minus log b. I can write it as log a by b, log a by b to the same base. This is given as 2. Or we can convert this into exponential expression, which is 4 power 6, 4 power 2 equal to x square plus x by x plus 1. 4 square is 16. Now cross multiplying, we get x square plus x equal to 16x plus 16. Means we can express this as a quadratic equation. X square plus x minus 16x minus 16 equal to 0, which is x square minus 15x minus 16 equal to 0. Now we need to think about expressing this. We can write it as minus 16x plus 1x. Because minus 16 into 1 is minus 16. We can express this. Now I can factorize this. X times x minus 16 plus x minus 16 equal to 0, or x minus 16 times x plus 1 equal to 0, which means x is 16 or minus 1. X equal to minus 1 is not applicable. Therefore, x equal to 16 only. So that is the solution for this particular problem. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.